Alright, GoPro Warrior back with another video from the cabin. Alright, so we've been up for a couple hours now. We got up and it rained for about an hour or so. And not too bad. Now the sun's coming out. And yeah, nice morning. What a view. Alright, let's get out of bed here. We've already started the day. I have a couple cups of coffee of the instant stuff that we brought. And tomorrow we're going to try the coffee out that was provided for us at the cabin. So I'm going to go through the breakfast now that we're going to eat that is provided with the chef's plan. And we did bring smoothies from home. We kind of already packed them in the cooler. Already pre-packed them all, so they're already ready to go. Oh, I'm breaking the place. So we just put yogurt, blueberries in there. There's regular fruit, peaches and whatever, whatnot, all mixed like a big mixed berry bag kind of thing. So we're ready to eat some breakfast now. Babe, do you want to go over the breakfast here?
So they gave us for our first breakfast, we've got I believe it's a ginger maple breakfast sausage, and we're gonna grill this over the fire pit like they do recommend. Only takes about 8 to 12 minutes, so that's nice. We've also got some beautiful Belgian waffles. They only take about 4 minutes in the oven, so we'll just pop them in. And the Belgian waffles come with this lovely grass-fed butter and a nice maple syrup. That is Canadian maple syrup, of course. And we have what looks like an apple compote to go with it. So it should be quite a delicious breakfast.
Yeah, it looks good. These waffles look pretty good.
Yeah, they do.
Oh.
Maybe we'll even put those over the fire.
Smush. 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 Yeah, we could put the waffles over the fire too. Alright, let's open up this sausage and throw that on there. Alright, here's our breakfast for the next morning. Knife it.
Scissors. Those are some very sharp scissors.
Alright. And even though it rained, the fire's still rocking out there. So let's go out and throw it on the fire.
Time to make some breakfast.
Alright, ready? Alright, let's put this sausage on the fire.
Thanks, babe. It's like a freaking snake.
Right on. The breakfast sausage.
Oh. Wow. That's cooking fast.
Right on. That was good.
Okay, waffle time.
Waffles, waffles.
Waffles. Adjust the sausages a little bit. Oh,
Right in your
my
face.
eye.
That sausage looks good. Oh yeah, look at those waffles.
Oh, the second one's broken into pieces.
Oh no. Broken waffle.
That's okay. I'll have that one. It's pre-cut. Oh, not too close to the flames.
Fire. Smoke's going in my eyes now. Looking good.
About 5 minutes, we'll have some breakfast.
All right. Oh wow, you had to flip them already. That didn't take long.
It says about 4 minutes in the oven, so I'm assuming over the fire pit it's a little bit quicker.
Yeah.
We'll get some nice orange juice.
Did you flip the big one, right?
I did.
Oh. Yeah, it looks like the one side's only toasted there. Smoke's following me. Alright. These waffles ain't gonna take long at all.
No, I'm gonna go get plates.
Alright, looks like we're good to go. Yeah, that was good. Look at those waffles. Yum. Yum.
Breakfast is ready.
All right, getting ready to eat our breakfast, our Belgian waffles with the sausage. It looks all good. Yeah, let's add some syrup to this.
Feeling it.
What? Yeah.
Nice. That's really good.
Oh yeah, Canadian maple syrup. Mmm. All right, I'm gonna throw some of this on the sausage too. That's the way I roll. Perfect. All right. We're gonna dig in. Let's try out the waffles first. Get some of that syrup on there. Open up. Open your mouth. I can't get it in there. Mmm. Yeah, that's pretty tasty.
That's delicious.
All right, let's try this sausage now. Oh, I've tried salt and pepper. That is good. I'm digging this sausage for sure. And here we got some
Apple compote.
apple
Cinnamon, actually.
cinnamon. Look at the big. There's like tons in here. Look at this. All right, try it with these apples on it. Oh yeah, that's good. All right, try sausage.
Not yet. I will
No?
soon.
Okay, we'll try it. We gotta rate it. We gotta rate this. We gotta rate this.
Okay.
I'm gonna give it all cooked on the fire. I love stuff cooked on the fire. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10.
Yep, I think I'd have to agree.
9.
That's delicious.
You got some OJ with it. OJ.
Very good.
All right. Signing out. We're gonna finish eating. See you guys in the next one. Peace.